dairy, dairy farming in Fairfield, Vermont. This was created by Katie Neat, Lauren K. Garcelle, Hannah Brannon. This is a picture of a cow's pasture. This field is important because cows need hay and grass to eat. This is a picture of a cornfield. Cows need corn to eat with their hay. They need their food to make milk. Baby cows stay in the barn until they are old enough to go outside. Julie Walcott feeds the cows a bottle of food every day until they are old enough to eat hay, grass, and corn. The cows are kept in this barn for milking. The cows that Julie Walcott owns are Jersey cows. These are Albert classmates petting a cow from Julie Walcott's farm. They were really friendly. These are baby calves from Julie Walcott's farm. This is the bulk tank that holds the milk from the cows. The bulk tank is important because it keeps the milk cold until the milk truck comes. The milk goes to the St. Albans Co-op Creamery. At the co-op, the milk gets cleaned and shipped to Boston. Julie's milk makes cheese, Ben and Jerry's ice cream, yogurt, and milk. Jersey cows are cream gray, brown, or black, with or without white markings. Jersey cows weigh 900 to 1,000 pounds. It is important for the cow's hoofs to get trimmed so their hoofs don't hurt. Jersey cows make the most milk than any other breed. Their milk is the richest in butter fat. This is a cow's pasture. The cows eat the grass from their pasture. Cows need grass, not weeds, to eat. To help keep the field clean, mow or clip the weeds. Pasture-raised cows produce healthier products. My cow's name is Carol Kay. Carol Kay was born on September 17, 2008. She is 4 years old. She will have her baby on December 9th, 2012. This is my cow. She was born on December 9, 2010. She is 2 years old. She will have her baby on October 27, 2012. My cow's name is Bernice. Bernice was born on November 27, 2010. She is 2 years old. She had a baby on October 13, 2012. We hope you like learning about dairy farming in Fairfield, Vermont. Thank you for listening.